हे शीशन शौर्य, अब हम पढ़ेंगे वर्टिब्रेट्स. वर्टिब्रेट्स आर द ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल विच हैव डिस्टिंक्ट बैकबोन. इसको वर्टिब्रल कॉलम कहते हैं. वर्टिब्रल कॉलम इज मेड अप ऑफ सेवरल सेपरेट बोन्स कॉल्ड वर्टिब्री. ठीक है. ऑल वर्टिब्रेट्स आर वेल डेवलप्ड सर्कुलेटरी क्लोज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. क्लोज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम मीन्स द ब्लड फ्लोज इन द ब्लड वेसल्स inside the blood vessels to all body parts. They have well developed nervous system as compared to invertebrate. All vertebrates have a brain and their body function is controlled by the brain. ठीक है. There are 5 classes of vertebrate: Pisces, amphibian, reptilia, aves and mammalia. Pisces मतलब fish. Pisces राशि होती ना fish. They are streamlined so that there is little resistance during swimming. Their body, the initial part of the body and rear part of the body is narrow. Cold-blooded animal, smooth and slimy skin covered with scale. Their limbs are modified into fins, help in swimming. Their breathing organ is gills, which help in taking dissolved oxygen from the water. ठीक है. They have 2-chambered heart. ऐसे फोटो याद रखो, 2-chambered heart. ठीक है. It includes seahorse, carp, shark, ray fish, pomfret, eel, रोहू. ठीक है. Coming to अब ये ओवीपैरस है, अंडे देते हैं. They give birth to, they lay eggs in the water. जैसे नीमो पैदा हुआ. Amphibian lives both on land in water. Amphi means both kind. Bios मतलब life. दोनों kind की life जीते हैं ये. They evolve from the fishes. Fishes से amphibian evolve हुए. They can live in both water and land. They are cold-blooded. Their heart is 3-chambered. ठीक है. They breathe through lungs on land and moist skin in water. They return to water only for reproduction to lay their eggs in water. Cold-blooded तो है, moist skin है, but it can be smooth as salamander and it can be rough as frog. ठीक है. Now coming to reptiles. Reptiles are crawling animal जो रेंगते हैं. They are also oviparous. They lay egg. They are more adapted to live on lands. They are cold-blooded. Their skin is dry, covered with scales, 2 pairs of legs, breathe through lungs, 3-chambered heart, except for crocodile which has 4-chambered heart. Crocodile का दिल बहुत बड़ा है. They lay eggs that have leathery waterproof shell. इसमें छिपकली, स्नेक्स, लिजर्ड, टर्टल, टॉर्टोइज, एलिगेटर, क्रोकोडाइल सब आते हैं. डिफरेंस बिटवीन एम्फीबियंस एंड रेप्टाइल. एम्फीबियंस की स्किन थिन, मॉइस्ट, स्मूथ और रफ हो सकती है. इनकी स्किन रेप्टाइल्स की हॉर्नी एपिडर्मल स्केल्स होते हैं, ड्राई स्किन होती है. 3-chambered हार्ट होता है. 3-chambered हार्ट होता है एक्सेप्ट फॉर क्रोकोडाइल विच हैज़ 4-chambered हार्ट. Their respiration takes place through gills or lungs or through skin. Their respiration takes place through lungs. Coming to aves. Aves मतलब aviation related to air. Birds evolves from reptile. They peculiarly distinguished feature होता है इनका. They have feathers. ठीक है. They are warm-blooded means their body temperature is not changed by the surrounding temperature. Their body temperature is fixed. Their body is streamlined. They are covered with feathers. Their forelimb मतलब आगे के limbs modified into wings and hind limb modified adapted for walking. Perching मतलब पेड़ पे बैठने के लिए and swimming like duck. They breathe through lung. They have 4-chambered heart. There is bone, light bones. Their bone is replaced by a large air cavity. They have horny beaks, no teeth. They lay egg with hard shell. स्पैरो, क्रो, पैराकीट, ऑस्ट्रिच ये सब इसमें आते हैं. Now coming to most developed, most complex and most evolved group of the organism classification, animal kingdom, coming to mammalia. They are milk producing animal. Mammalia matlab breast. Most advanced animal. All animals have mammary glands, mostly more developed in females. They are warm blooded, they have hair on their body, they give birth to the babies and female partner feed the babies. They have external ear, nose and specialized teeth जैसे canines in carnivorous, molars in herbivorous. ठीक है. They breathe through lungs, they have 4-chambered heart, they have separate sex, male and female, include mouse, human, dog, cat, lion, cow, buffalo, सब amphibians हैं, सब mammals हैं. Now coming to Darwin. Who is Darwin? Charles Darwin is the person who first described evolution, that organisms are evolved from simple organisms to complex organisms. According to him, the some organisms are very simple and have primitive body structures. They are called lower or primitive organism. As time passes, these organisms continue to change their body and structure and become complex. Like amoeba and bacteria are primitive, whereas fishes, amphibian, reptile, birds are complex organism. इन्होंने एक बुक लिखी थी ओरिजिन ऑफ स्पीशीज. ठीक है. इसका मेन लाइन था चार्ल्स डार्विन का, सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. जो जना हैबिटेट के हिसाब से चेंज होगा, बदलता जाएगा, कॉम्प्लेक्स होता जाएगा, वही सर्वाइव करेगा. और इसी थ्योरी के हिसाब से डायनासोर एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए क्योंकि वो चेंज नहीं हो पाए. और एक मैमल में एक्सेप्शन है, डक बिल प्लैटिपस एक मैमल है जो एग देता है, लेज एग. ओके, बेस्ट ऑफ लक बेबीज.